Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today market was challenging, but we managed very decent profit, especially at the London morning session. New York session at the beginning was very quiet. We haven't seen any volatility, but at the end of the London session we managed few PPs. Let me share with you guys how I helped my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we manage very decent profit today through live intraday analysis. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD, and later I'm going to show you the best trade of the day. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD chart and if you look at the 4-hour, so this morning pretty straightforward, we had this long trade here. Reason because you can see here price broken, and after the breakout price retest we had this long trade here and price nicely hit to the profit target. As you can see here, we also had a counter short trade at the New York session and still traders holding it. Let's see how that's gonna go, but let me share with you entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward, very decent trade on the Euro USD today, guys. Okay, so at the Asian session, this is the analysis I did and explain my trader. Let the market this breakout, and I also mentioned the point of interest. As you can see here, price broken and retest. While the price was retesting it, I also mentioned look for another scaling, add one more trade on winning because we have a confirmation in 4-hour. As you can see here, price nicely, that's what I explained to my trader, look for another breakout. We also had a long trade here and another scaling trade when the price broken. As soon as the price hit to the 4-hour, as you can see here, major resistance level. That's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. And let's see at the New York session. At the New York session, as you can see here, we have sort of like a mindset developed, that possibility of reversal. And we look at in the intraday, as you can see here, price develop high and low and plus. Basically, as explained my trade, look for this breakout, but once the price broken this origin and retest at this level, that's what I explained my trade. I think more likely we're gonna have a short trade here, which we had it and nicely hit to the first target, but most of the traders still holding it. As soon as the price hits to the first target, I explained my trade, it's time to put your stop loss at the break even, or you can bank few PB. So we had the amazing trade on Euro USD, pretty straightforward trade, guys, being an intraday, both long and short. All right, so pound dollar, pretty straightforward. We had this long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance, we also banked some profit. We also had a counter short trade at the Euro USD. And if you look at the intraday analysis, that was a pretty straightforward. We had amazing trade, guys. As you can see here, this was the trade at the London morning session. As you can see, let me share with you. Yeah, this is the London morning session analysis. As you can see here, price developed a sideways market. And if you look at here, this was the trade at this level. As you can see here, in 4-hour consolidation, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the first target, exactly like Euro USD, that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. And let's wait for the New York session. And at the New York session, as you can see here, price developed another one pattern because we were expecting there's a still possibilities price might gonna break this level. And I said to guys, we're going to trade what we see it. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and as soon as the price broken, I say guys, put your stop loss at the break even. There's a still possibility of reversal. As you can see here, price hit to the previous high level. Even in the 4-hour, we even put a break even, and as you can see here, price came back. We technically came out at the break even. Okay, so based on the 4-hour, as I said to you guys, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price, we came out at the break even. I said to explain to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break this structure, then I'm expecting a huge trade and then keep taking a pullback after that. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback and another pullback. I just mentioned just before closing my day and explain my traders, time to enjoy some profit as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. Let's see tomorrow, more likely price is gonna break, then we're gonna keep taking a pullback. But we manage very decent profit on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we were struggling into it, and as I mentioned in my yesterday analysis, we were looking this breakout this morning, and I said to you, as long as the price does not break this one, don't look at the trade. And more likely and high probability was the pullback long. at this level. If you look at here, price broken and pullback. So that's exactly happened. We had a long trade here. I explained my trade, just keep holding it and enjoy this long trade here. The target would be around this level first. If you look at the intraday, that was a pretty straightforward one trade. We had amazing trade, guys, as you can see here. That was the New York session. I can see here. That was a pretty straightforward. Price developed sideways market, and we were looking at 4-hour breakout, which price nicely broken, as you can see here. The best way is if you look at here, price broken and retest. That's what I explained my trader. And the first target in intraday, as soon as the price hit, and explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. All right, so let me share with you the best trade of the day. We had a euro yen and the pound yen. Let me share with you the pound yen. We had both trades, guys. Amazing trades. Let me explain to you pound dollar, pound yen. Okay, so this morning we had this short trade here, slightly banked some pippies as soon as the price respected the previous low. Then we had a long trade here, and at the New York session, as soon as the price respected this resistance, we also had a short trade here, and some of the traders are still holding the short trade here. And let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break or not. Let me share with you all entries in pound yen. That was a beautiful trade, guys. If you look at here this morning, okay, so this morning, as you can see here at the London Open, that was the pretty straightforward breakout short trade here, even after the breakout pullback. And we were expecting price might gonna break this low, and then we're gonna enjoy. But as soon as the price hit this level, which is I explained to my trader, look here, price respected here. As soon as the price hit, I say either you bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So we banked few PPs at the pound yen. After banking some profit, price impulsively, you can see impulsively reversed. Then I explain my look here, technically price should respect this level, which price didn't, as you can see here. So as explained, if the price gonna break this level, then we taking a long trade here. Just keep taking a long trade here, because looks like the price is respecting inside the Bollinger Band, which is the 20 EMA in 4-hour. As you can see here, price nicely broken, bank few PPs. I said take another long here, take another long here, as long as the price hit to this level at the resistance level. And that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if we can get a counter short trade here. And afterwards, you can see here, this is the spinning top, bearish spinning top candle is developing 4-hour. And later on, as you can see here, that was a pretty straightforward beautiful breakout. And I explained my trader just keep taking a pullback, but I closed my trades early and explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. As you can see here, after that, beautiful pullback short trade here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis instead of review, so that's you can find out whether all this analysis makes sense or not. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I coach and train trader with a live market in real time, because that's what I believe the best way to develop the trading skill, learning with the live market. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given at the video description. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.